You're about to learn how to create a YouTube channel on your phone in less time than it takes to make noodles. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by tomorrow. I'm going to show you a secret app that can give you 10,000 to 100,000 views in one day. Note that it's not on the Play Store, and if you want to know how to download it, subscribe now, and I'll share the details in my next video. Click the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post. To create a YouTube channel, open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon, and smash that Create Channel button. Type your awesome name, pick your best selfie from the gallery, the one where you don't look like you just woke up, and hit Create. Boom! You're now officially a YouTuber. But wait, tomorrow, I'm dropping the craziest secret. An app that gets you 1,000 views in 2 minutes. It's free, and it's not on the Play Store. Subscribe right now so you're the first to know where to download it before everyone else beats you to the views.